Hey friends, welcome to this YouTube channel, and today we are going to show you how you can use frame tool and how you can place hold your images in an image. Let's start the video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing videos about Photoshop Illustrator. Let's jump to the screen. First of all, open your Adobe Photoshop, and if you don't know how you can get the latest version, follow my YouTube channel. I fully explain in this YouTube channel how you can get this for free for lifetime. Now first of all, create new and click on create, and you can see here a frame tool. The main concept of frame tool is all documentation of frame tool is here. We can add some images here. So just a minute, and click on pixel, Pixele, press enter and click on this website, and you can easily download free images from here. Press enter and download an image from here. All images are copyright free images. Now we will choose this. Download this image. You can also donate to the photographer. Minimize, and the image is now downloading. Wait a few seconds while it downloading. Now import this image to the Photoshop. Unlock this layer and zoom. Now choose this and choose the circle from here. Remember that. Draw here and zoom it and adjust the circle for your need, like this. Give me a little bit time to adjust this. Like this. And now import your background and import your placeholder picture what you need. I have this sky image here, and now you can see very easy. And yes, click on this tool and adjust your placeholder with it, like this. Now you can see we will place hold an image in the T. So that's the use of frame tool. You will also use this tool. Press O, and this tool is very amazing to bright your images. Right click on this, choose your size and hardness, like this, and you can easily brighten your images using this tool. Now you can see here. Just a few seconds. Like this. Okay. You can also remove your face pimples from this tool. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel for amazing latest Photoshop videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.